Turn the gondola base upward on its end lengthwise. Insert the metal upright into the base with the screw holes toward the bottom. Line the screw holes up with the screw holes in the underside of the base unit. Insert a hexagon screw and washer into the bottom upright hole down into the base. Place a washer and nut onto the screw from the bottom. Tighten with a hexagon wrench. You will need a wrench on the bottom and the top of the unit to tighten correctly. Repeat this action for the remaining upright hole. Repeat this action on the other metal upright for the opposite end of the unit. Turn the base right side up. Place the shelf brackets onto the unit. The 6-inch shelf brackets should be inserted at the top, the 8-inch brackets on the middle, and the 10-inch brackets toward the bottom. You may space these out to your preferred height. Place 2 rubber bumpers onto each shelf rest. Place the shelf rests onto the front and rear of each shelf bracket. Place the glass shelves onto each of the shelf brackets. Your installation is complete.